Gujarat and now Karnataka, there are concentrated, coordinated and calculated attacks on Hindu processions and Hindu festivals, and it just can't be taken anymore. The Congress Karnataka government is downplaying the violence, saying it's a small incident. Straight question to the Congress government. If the victims had been Muslims, would you have spoken the same language? Let's debate.
Stones pelted, petrol bombs hurled in Mandya during Lord Ganesh procession. Communal slogans raised in Lucknow. Stone pelting in Gujarat, Surat on a Lord Ganesh pandal. Violent clashes in Madhya Pradesh's Ratlam. The pious Hindu festival of Ganesh Chaturthi has witnessed these scenes across India. Coordinated attacks targeting Hindus and Hindu processions. Proof of it seen in such CCTV videos. This one is from Mandya. Watch how mobs are picking boulders and destroying public property. Watch this video where a mob is seen pelting stones. The pattern is crystal clear, even as those in power, especially in opposition-ruled states, try to downplay it.
During the Ganesha procession, somebody has pelted stones on the procession, and in retaliation, these people have also responded similarly. And now everything is under control. We have arrested about 52 persons on both the sides. They have lit fire and all that. All that has been controlled. Nothing to worry now.
There seems to have been attempt to create communal unrest.
कुछ लोग जो इस तरह का काम कर रहे हैं उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई हो, ऐसा सबक सिखाया जाए कि भविष्य में कभी वो पथरावबाजी, आगजनी कभी त्योहार के समय ना करें. एक स्पष्ट संकेत और संदेश देने की जरूरत है.
And even as this attempt to cause an unrest has been underway, India Alliance leader Akhilesh Yadav insulted Hindu seers, likening them to the mafia.
मठाधीश और माफिया में कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं होता.
The time has come to call out the pattern to these attacks, especially on Hindu processions and festivals. It's time to also confront those providing cover, or worse still, pretending like nothing happened.
And I would say members of the Hindu community should speak up. Hindus should become more vocal and stop being fake, stop being subtle about it. People don't get the message. Ask the question directly. And my first question is, where is the rule? Where is the rule that a Hindu procession cannot go in front of a dargah or a masjid? Rule bataiye. Is there such a rule? Is there such a rule that a Ganesh procession cannot go? No, 1 minute. Is there such a rule? Is there such a rule that a Ganesh procession cannot go in front of a masjid? Koi ban hai kya? Is there a ban?
Violence is condemnable of any kind, Mr. Arnab Goswami. Violence is...
I have not asked you to speak yet, Abbas.
Throw stone
Arnab ji,
or commit
905
violence.
police stations
That
problem
question
nahi
is allow me.
Arnab ji, there is absolutely
Waris and
no
Suresh
problem in the
Gowda,
entire
you come
state
later.
of
Two
Tamil Nadu.
windows.
Inside this communal tension.
हाँ बोलो.
But Mr. Goswami, who's trying to create a communal tension in the country? You very well know. Why are you being a hypocrite? The BJP is trying to create a communal tension in the country.
These kind of people who are attacking Ganesh festivals, they
Why
are
do you
trying
say
to create
that
a communal
people every
situation
now
in the
and then
country.
are coming there?
People like Waris
What
Pathan who
about-
support them are trying to
Allow
create a
me,
communal
whosoever
situation
is there
in the
is
country.
arrested. They are arrested. I said in my earlier
Who are
statement,
they?
I said I condemn
Are they-
all kind
are
of
they
violence,
radical
but did you
Muslim
condemn
youth?
those people
Who are
go to
they?
mosque,
Are
shout
they
Jai
radical
Shri Ram
Muslims?
slogan, walk up, go
आप
to
तो
the
बहुत
minaret,
सेंसिटिव है,
watch
होना
a
भी
flag.
चाहिए.
Why don't you
Anybody
talk about
questions
them, those
anything to
people
do with your
also?
religion, you say
No,
sartan se
you
juda.
should speak about those people.
One minute. Just 1 minute. Now question
Who
is.
said so? We
question
condemn
is,
that also.
Dushyant,
Did you ever
no,
condemn
no.
that people
I'm
yatra,
saying something. Be quiet.
they go near the
Show
mosque,
respect,
they-
Avaris.
they jump
कोई
to
भी
the minaret
आपके
and
आपके
put a flag.
anybody talks
That
about
time
your
Mr.
religious
Goswami
sentiment,
keeps silent.
sartan se juda.
बीजेपी
पर हिंदुओं के फेस्टिवल पर गाली दो,
इलेक्शंस, महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शंस
अटैक करो, गणेश चतुर्थी के प्रोसेशन को अटैक करो. Why Hindus will remain quiet always?
You remove him from the post. अरे you remove the officer from the post, Mr. Goswami, your government.
अरे चलने वाला नहीं है.
He was
Let me tell you,
suspended immediately. He
change your
said that there were
approach.
rumors.
Country is changing.
क्यों नहीं
change your
चलेगा?
approach.
You have to change your approach now and
Because
condemn each and
Hindus
every
will
violence,
have to be
whether by the
respected.
Hindus or by the Muslims. You have to take a stand.
Hindus will have
that
to be
violence
respected.
is condemnable.
Hindus have to be respected.
You have
Hindu
to take a
processions have to be
stand.
respected.
Muslim
80% of
are
the
also to be
population of the
respected.
country is Hindu.
Why not Muslim?
Is the
Both
country's
Hindus
population 80
procession
to 83%
as well as
Hindu
Muslim
or not?
procession. Both the processions
Huh?
are to be respected.
If you are
So what do
saying,
you mean to say?
okay, so you are saying Muslim
that which was
population
not
is
in the
15-16%,
Constitution.
God
What
knows,
about equality?
maybe in Bengal it is
Constitution speaks about equal
50%.
rights.
You are saying Muslim sentiment has to be
Who said
appreciated.
so?
But
You are
82% of the
saying-
population of the country has to
I want the
be
nation
attacked.
go. No.
82% has to be attacked.
I want the nation
16% has to be protected.
Because they are 82%, they are allowed to do anything they wish.
What?
Sir,
who is doing
follow the
anything?
Constitution, Mr.
Ganesh,
Goswami, follow the
who is doing anything?
Constitution.
Dushyant
Equality,
Sridhar is on the debate.
equality, nobody
One minute,
is
now you
above
be
law.
quiet, volume
Everybody
down.
has
You
to
see,
follow
this is
the
the
law,
language which is
whether
the problem.
82% or
This is the language, this is the kind of attacks on Hindus that Hindus have tolerated quietly for too
have to
long.
follow the law.
They just today, even
What
to
about
take a
Muslims?
Ganesh
Why
procession
don't you
out,
speak when the
you have to
Muslims
feel
are under
insecure.
attack?
कहीं सर तन से जुदा ब्रिगेड आगे अटैक तो नहीं करेगी.
Why during the Hindu
Dushyant is on the debate.
They went near the mosque and
Dushyant
they-
Sridhar, what is the alternative for the Hindu
Flag over
community
the
now?
minaret. That time you were
Namaskaram.
silent, you never uttered a word that
Namaskaram,
time.
Ornab, and namaskaram to all my fellow panelists. We recently celebrated the Vinayaka Chaturthi, the Ganesh Chaturthi, and till the Anant Chaturdashi, there are grand pandals where astikas congregate. Hardik Shubhkamnaye, best wishes to all of them. That said, Ornab, 2 weeks back, I was on a debate when a 1,500-year-old temple, where we have inscriptions of even Parantaka Chola, called Tiruchendurai, is called as a temple on a Waqf land. So we are talking at a time where a temple, which was born a few years even before the Western religion Islam was born, is called the Waqf land. So we are talking in that time period.
Sir,
That
we are
said,
discussing
today when we
Nagmangala
see
riots.
multiple incidents, sir, I'll just complete
Sir, we
my
are
point. sir.
discussing Nagmangala riots.
So when we talk about these Ganesh processions
for,
being attacked,
Dushyant.
two level. One political parties, they always cater to their vote bank. Second is, it is my ardent request to the Muslim community, whom we have great relationship with for many centuries. Please do not go word by what the tenets say. If idol worship was wrong in Islam, that was done. But there are religions which believe in Vigraha Aradhana. So the
Sir,
moment
there
you
is
see a
nothing to
procession,
do
it
with
doesn't
idol
mean
worship.
you will have to go
There are
attacking
totally
people.
906 police stations in Karnataka.
That's okay.
In
See,
all
the thing
905
is, were
police
people
station
attacked or not?
limits,
And
Ganesh
or not?
Chaturthi
One
has been
question that I have
celebrated.
is,
Dushyant,
when
Sir,
they say
there
we
was
pelt,
you be quiet,
when we
Razak, ka
pelt
volume kam karo.
stones,
Dushyant, speak.
or not, when they say that there are incidents of pelting stones. See, when you or I walk on a normal road, we don't come across so much stones. So my thought is, where do they plan to get so many stones accumulated? Is this the right way to even
it's
attack a
because-
religious procession?
it's well
Because
planned.
you don't get stones to attack that easily unless and until it's an orchestrated attack.
No, it's
you
a-
wouldn't want to
it's a-
attack people
it's
of
an
your own
attempt at-
nation.
Dushyant, it is an attempt at threatening the Hindu community.
It has happened from
It is an organized attempt at trying to terrorize the Hindu community. And that is why Durga idols were damaged during Durga Puja across India. 2019. Second example, put that down. Why were Durga Puja processions pelted with stones in Balrampur, Uttar Pradesh by Islamists? My point is, we are now told, ये secular होना है. कहाँ secularism में लिखा गया है कि हिंदुओं को चुप रहना चाहिए जब Islamist attack करेंगे? Why? And we are told today, the essence of Hinduism is tolerance. Well, it is tolerance. How much should Hindus tolerate is my question. This is a straight, I don't even want to beat around the bush. How much are Hindus supposed to tolerate? You know something? The Kalash was in this Mandya. I can ask Suresh Gowda, is it not true that, there was an attempt at damaging the idols, but in Lucknow, I am told, in a Ganesh Puja Pandal, the Kalash, which is the urn which is kept near the idol, was damaged. And if something like this had happened to any Muslim community event, ये नुपुर शर्मा ने एक कमेंट कर दिया तो आपने पूरे देश भर में आपने आग लगा दी. बट इधर कोऑर्डिनेटेड अटैक्स हो रहे हैं ऑन गणेश पूजा एंड वी आर टू बी क्वाइट. सूरत में हुआ है, रतलाम में हुआ है, कच्छ में हुआ है, लखनऊ में. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है
सर,
ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है कि नहीं है? एक मिनट संजू, बिफोर आई कम टू यू, सुरेश Gowda, what happened in Mandya? I have the former MLA of Nagamandala live from Nagamandala in Mandya. I have Suresh Gowda. Mr. Gowda, you tell us what happened. Mr. Gowda, let the people of the country know what happened.
These are habitual offenders.
एक मिनट, habitual नहीं चलेगा. Habitual हटेंगे, hang them. Hang them.
This is the same place.
Hang them if they are habitual offenders. Suresh Gowda. Suresh Gowda.
Yesterday around 7:30 to night 7:30 to 8 o'clock, there was a I'm hearing. Yesterday night at about 8 o'clock, there was a Ganesha, the procession is going on. At that time, particular point, some people have started pelting the
what have you done?
As well as they are throwing the chappals.
Who's vision mixing?
And also there is a suddenly some type of ruckus has happened. At that time, I don't know people where they were. They came from particular place and they have started all those things. But thing is, last year, same month, same procession, that Galata also happened there. But the police, the station officer who was at that time were present. This time was the same
wherever
station
such kind of incident happens,
in
that the
front of the
police machinery is there,
station
they must take into
officer.
consideration.
But thing is, so far, no investigation. So far, at the behest of this in charge minister, they are booking the innocent people. They are not booking the real culprits. And also, there is a lot of more than 60 to 70 stores have been burnt, textile stores burnt, that borewell repair centers have been burnt, their chappal stores have been burnt, footwear shop is burnt, then also some this thing, other stores have been burnt. But so far, the thing is, even knowing the thing, this Galante is going to be happen, police has not made any adequate security to the one particular reason. I mean,
by sending Ganesha procession like Ramgiri who abused the Muslims. The BJP, since long we have been watching this, they're sending their stooges. Like Ramgiri, he comes before people and he uses bad language against our prophet and nobody arrests him. There are several FIRs. There are BJP MLAs
on the left
who openly says we will enter the mosque and kill the Muslims. No action against them, no arrest against them. So this is a clear show that the BJP wants to create an atmosphere and polarize the situation prior to the elections by doing the Hindu-Muslim, which is the BJP mastermind. The BJP
okay,
is
now can I
PhD in
speak?
that.
I
And
heard
you must
Varis
condemn
very
all this
patiently.
kind of activity.
Varis,
You cannot
you
just
have
go
your
on like
say.
this.
I just want to make one point. You know, I have so many Muslim friends, and I think most of them are secular. But I'm appalled when I see Varis Pathan, who's an educated lawyer. He sits here and he behaves like a radical Islamist. I want to ask one thing: when the Bombay High Court said you cannot play Azan on loudspeakers from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., आप लोग दंगे करते हो. When Himanta Biswa Sarma says that in madrasas, not only Islamic theology, but history, geography, math, science should be taught. आप लोग दंगे करते हो. Then when the Karnataka High Court said that hijab is not integral to Islam,
किसने किया?
आप लोग रोड पर दंगे करते हो. अफजल हम शर्मिंदा है, तेरे कातिल जिंदा है. ये हिंदुओं ने नहीं कहा, वारिस पठान. saying
मुल्ले काटे जाएंगे, राम राम चिल्लाएंगे, किसने कहा? मुल्ले नहीं चलेंगे, किसने कहा? किसने कहा? JSR के नाम पे मॉब लिंचिंग किसने कर दिया? गाय के नाम पे मुसलमानों को किसने मार दिया? सब जरा बताओ, सब जगह बताओ। देश के गद्दारों को गोली मारो, डैश डैश डैश, किसने कहा? जरा ये भी तो बताओ देश के सामने, आप बात पूरी करिए ना।
इम्तियाज जलील, why is it that some radical Islamists have an inferiority complex?
जब मुल्ले काटे जाएंगे, राम राम चिल्लाएंगे, उस वक्त
from Muslim centric
मुल्ले कटवे नहीं चलेंगे, you are shouting this, who giving such kind of slogans?
Are you telling me that Muslims
That time
are
you never
70%
condemned
of
that.
the population in a given district? We cannot celebrate as Hindus Ram Navami there. We cannot celebrate Durga Puja there. We cannot celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi there. तो उस हिसाब
Who
से
stops you from celebrating? Everybody has the right to celebrate this festival. The Constitution has given the right to every individual in the country to practice religion of his own choice and to practice the festival of his own choice. Nobody stops. But the BJP wants to target only the Muslims. That's it. Without confirming the facts, you just accuse a particular community, target a particular community, label everybody. The entire community as the terrorist. Every day we see the BJP people saying that the entire Muslim community is anti-national. Why you make such kind of statements? Who has given you the right to make such kind of derogatory statement against the Muslims? Follow the Constitution. Follow the Constitution.
Sanju.
Be the Hashimpura riots, be the Bhagalpur riots, be the Aligarh riots, be the Dhule riots, be the Muzaffarnagar riots, be the Kokrajhar riots, be the Deganga riots. All these riots have happened because one community, namely radical Islamists, have tried to appropriate secularism and have tried to undermine the credibility of peace-loving Hindus. It's time for you to understand Hindus are no longer willing to be taken for granted.
Go ahead, do whatever you feel like.
Varis Pathan, it's time for you to understand that 9 out of 10 terror organizations
Also today-
in the world are radical Islamic DNA.
Also today, in Sanju, 1 minute. Also, I want to say today, in an example of the Sanju, 1 minute. Just to give you one more example, viewers, of how anti-Hindu some of these parties are. Basically, parties like SP, Congress are anti-Hindu. In which case, they should say we are anti-Hindu. ये पिछड़ा पॉलिटिक्स करके हिंदू समाज को तोड़ने से कुछ नहीं होगा। आप कह के तो देखिए ना, मैं हिंदुओं के खिलाफ है। इसलिए आज उन्होंने कहा टुडे, अखिलेश सेड मठाधीश और माफिया में कोई फर्क नहीं है। कोई मौलानाओं के बारे में ऐसा कुछ कह देता तो आप क्या करते?
उसमें 24
इन्होंने कहा मठाधीश जितने आपको पता भी है हिंदू धर्म में मठाधीश का मतलब क्या होता है? दुष्यंत श्रीधर आपको बताएंगे। दुष्यंत श्रीधर, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ मठाधीश? बिकॉज टुडे अखिलेश सेज मठाधीश और माफिया में कोई फर्क नहीं है।
मैं अपनी बात बोल लूं।
Dushyant first.
That's a very condemnable statement, because just to put a blanket, see, if people say that Muslims are bad, can you and I agree? Because we have had plenty of good people. Same is the case with Mathadishas, who are the Acharyas. They guide so many Sishyas, they guide so many people. So this is a very wrong, condemnable statement to issue a blanket statement stating that they are comparable to Mafia. But one quick question or not, to Varis Pathan, in 2018, in a Ganesh Chaturthi celebration, he said Ganapati Bappa Moria. And the consecutive week, he had to ask for an unconditional apology, stating that what I have said is wrong, people do commit mistakes. What is the mistake in reciting Ganapati Bappa Moria?
This is yours and the BJP government's policies to divert the mind of the nation from basic issues. Today you are trying to divert the mind of.
Why did you beg for forgiveness? Answer the question.
You speak on that
why were you forced to beg for forgiveness after saying Ganapati Bappa Moria? That means you have succumbed to the Islamist. You have succumbed to the Islamist. Maybe you are a closet Islamist yourself.
Everywhere, our Hindu brothers celebrate the Ganesh festival. They invite us, we go there. But it so happened that time that I spoke to Allah that if I have committed anything by raising such kind of slogan or something, I apologize to Allah, not to my Hindu brothers and sisters. They are my brothers and sisters, Mr. Goswami. This Hindu brother, sister, they respect me. Even now they call me to their pandals.
Why will Allah
I be with them. But you cannot force me to chant something. But here the question. No. If you feel that you have committed as per Islamic law, Islamic tenets, if I say
Why, what
something
is
which
wrong?
not
Does your
permissible
religion
as per
say
the
so?
Islamic law, then
Where
Allah-
is it written?
God is there too. God
Where
is
is
there.
it written? You
That
can't
is
say
over
Ganpati
now.
Bappa Moria.
Arey sir, the
Sanju.
wrong thing is
तन से जुदा सर,
the
तन से
wrong
जुदा।
here is that Arnab Goswami every night comes before the nation and divides the country between Hindus and Muslims. That is disturbing.
While beheading Kanhaiya Lal, do you
देश
condemn
के
that?
गद्दारों को
Sir,
गोली
तन
मारो,
से
डैश
जुदा
डैश
and
डैश,
नारे तकबीर
देश के
slogans were
गद्दारों
raised
को, what
while
about
beheading
that?
Umesh
We are
Kohli.
gaddars? Are we are the
We
people
beheaded
who have
Nupur
sacrificed
Sharma
our life
right
for
in
the
the middle
independence
of a
of the great
chauraha. This is
nation.
what your
Where were
former
you?
MP
Where was the
Imtiaz
RSS?
Jalil said in
Where was the
Aurangabad.
RSS
Do you
during the
condemn that or do you
independence of
endorse
our country?
that? Why is it that you Muslims
You
have an
condemn
inferiority
that.
complex?
Our
Why
party
do you suffer
president
from
stated
victim
that we don't
complex?
support. Our
Hijab
party
पहनने नहीं
president
दिया।
Asad Owaisi said
आप
we don't support
Because I'll give you an example, and this goes to Anurag. The best example of the politics of the Samajwadi Party and Congress is that Mulayam Singh Yadav killed car sevaks to get the Muslim vote.
Hindus are celebrating
कार सेवकों का नरसंहार किया मुलायम सिंह यादव ने
समाजवादी
ताकि इनको मुस्लिम वोट मिले।
नहीं, समाजवादी लोग तब अयोध्या में देखिए प्रोग्राम ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया। प्रोग्राम ने कहा यही समाजवादी पार्टी है जो सामाजिक न्याय की बात कर रही है, यही समाजवादी पार्टी है जो समाज के अंदर जोड़ने की बात करती है, यही समाजवादी पार्टी है जो समाज को आगे ले जाने की बात करती है। इसलिए प्रोग्राम ने मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया। अयोध्या में आपको हराया, जो अयोध्या में भ्रष्टाचार कर रहे थे, मंदिर जैसी पवित्र जगह पे उसमें पानी टपकने लगा, इतना भ्रष्टाचार। और आपने जमीन में अयोध्या जैसी जगह पे जमीन में भ्रष्टाचार, प्रभु राम के राज्य में जमीनों में भ्रष्टाचार, जमीनों में मंदिर में पानी टपकने लगा। इससे ज्यादा शर्म की बात नहीं हो सकती। उसको शर्म करो, प्रभु राम के यहाँ भ्रष्टाचार छोड़ देते हैं, लाइटें चोरी हो जाती हैं, रोड में गड्ढे हो जाते हैं, प्रभु राम के सड़क पे, जहाँ प्रभु राम अयोध्या में सड़क पे गड्ढे, इससे ज्यादा शर्म की बात कोई नहीं हो सकती। इसलिए भ्रष्टाचारियों को प्रभु राम ने सजा दी है। अयोध्या में आपको हराया है, वो समझ गए यही है वो सरकार है जो जनता के साथ नहीं है। इसने आपको हराया, हमें जिताया है 43 सीटें देके।
वो पूरी तरह से एक रैडिकल इस्लामिस्ट बन चुके हैं। सिर्फ चुनाव के दौरान उनको भगवान कृष्ण की याद आती है, चुनाव के दौरान भगवान राम की याद आती है, चुनाव के दौरान हनुमान जी की याद आती है। बाकी समय you are busy doing Muslim appeasement.
I'd like to get Razak and Suresh Gowda. Razak. The attack was on the Hindu community, right? The pictures are very much on your screen. And you don't want to take appropriate action because you think you'll lose the Muslim vote.
Small, trivial issue, ignorable issue. This is being blown out of proportion. It does not need national attention.
Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi's
Arnab ji,
attack,
police have done a
this is
commendable
blown
job.
out of
905
proportion.
police station
50
Absolutely
shops
no,
are
nothing
burned.
happened.
It is blown out of
Ganesh
proportion. You know
Chaturthi
why?
has been
Because
celebrated
Hindus are
very
affected by it.
grand way.
Because Hindus are affected by
Only
it.
one police
जनता
station
का मुद्दा
limit.
खत्म हो
No
चुका है,
injury to
इसीलिए वो
anyone.
बार-बार कह रहे हैं हिंदू खतरे
अर्नब जी,
में।
इसको सिर्फ हवा दी जा रही है। सर, चन्नपटना में हाई प्रोफाइल इलेक्शन होने वाला है।
नुपुर शर्मा
वहां के एमपी है।
नुपुर शर्मा ने जो
ये
कहा
सिर्फ politicize किया जा
उसको
रहा है।
हवा दी गई थी क्या?
सर, ये सिर्फ
नुपुर
politicize।
शर्मा ने जो कहा उसको हवा दी गई थी क्या?
What is the connection between Channapatna and Damar, my dear brother? What is the connection? Why are you politicizing all these things?
Sir,
I think this is not fair. This is not fair. Then where is Channapatna? Where is Nagamangala? The incident occurred in Nagamangala, not in Channapatna. Why are you politicizing? Let us fight there, not here.
You want to make a statement?
See, confined to Nagamangala incident. Why are you politicizing all these things?
JDS, you want to show on one page.
No, this is wrong. There is an incident, well-planned incident at Nagamangala. It has happened. Both the religious people have suffered lot.
Okay, tell me, Razak, what else can these Islamists do which you will allow? Razak, listen to me. Razak, one minute. Just one minute. Razak, 1 minute. What else? My question is, what else will these Islamists do which you think is okay? Right now, if you're saying if you're a Muslim and you're in Karnataka and Congress is in charge, what else can they do? They can murder, they can lynch. Because they are Muslim, you will not take action. There can be no action against any Muslim today.
Talk to me with facts. I am saying
today there can be no action against any Muslim.
Named in the FIR.
See,
Why?
thousands of stones, they are collecting.
If you are Muslim, you will get more leeway.
There is a petrol bomb, there is acid bottles.
And you are blaming only one community.
Suddenly,
You are blaming only one community.
The hundreds of talwars will come out.
Permission was
What is
taken
this?
to hoist
Where is
national
the
flag,
rule?
and they hoist Bhagwa
They
flag.
maintain the law and order.
The same region.
This government is maintaining
In
the
the
law and
same
order.
region. These people
What is the
tried all
message you
tricks
wanted
in
the
the
people
trade.
give to? Why are you
They
correcting
said Tipu
Channapatna and
Sultan was killed
Nagamangala?
by
This
Puri
thing.
Gowda and Nanje Gowda. A Swamiji came into the rescue and he said, this is wrong history. They just want to make a narrative, said something like this.
Is this a narrative,
consolidate
Dushyant?
into
I want to go back to
Consolidate
Dushyant. This is not narrative, this is a reality. The pictures are on your screen. There have been coordinated attacks, Dushyant, on the Hindu community during Ganesh Chaturthi. What if there were coordinated attacks on the Muslim community during their festival? What if there were coordinated attacks on the Muslim community during their religious period? Ek minute, Dushyant.
We are dealing with
not a
the
single
events,
issue
the
in the
incidents
entire
that have
state.
happened in multiple places for the Ganesh Chaturthi procession. In Republic, right in front of you, I want to see what the root cause is. A live test. Let Waris Pathanji recite any 2 lines of Quran. As a Hindu, I will recite it back with sincerity. If I say Ganapati Bappa Moria, can he say it back? Let him choose 2 lines of Quran. I will recite it back. I will say Ganapati Bappa Moria. Let us show an act of tolerance
My
and mutual
friend,
respect.
my
live on
friend,
camera.
my dear friend, I don't need a certificate of nationalism, patriotism from you,
this
sir.
is not
I am a
nationalism,
proud
this is about
Indian
religious
Muslim. I say
harmony.
that
You recite something,
Constitution
I
is
will
supreme.
sincerely recite.
I'm
There is
religion
no
also.
use
My
in going
religion is
harping and
engraved in my
repeating the
heart
same
and
point.
soul.
By
I
shouting,
don't
by
wear my
raising your
religion
voice,
on
you're
my
not going to
sleeves.
prove anything to
I
the
don't
public.
wear my religion
Let
on my
us
sleeves.
show
But
a
merely by
simple
saying as
act
per
of
your
tolerance
wish,
and
I won't
mutual
become a
respect. You
less
recite 2
religious
lines,
person
I will
or
recite
a
it
more
back.
religious
I will
person.
say a shloka,
No,
you
but why
recite
you
it
don't
back. Now
respect
let's
the
show the
religion?
world
Why? We call you as our Hindu brothers, but what do you call us?
So,
Oh, you jihadi.
if you
That's
want,
now
if
what
at
the
all
ladies
you want to know what is the root
You'll
cause,
become a
this is
smaller.
the level of
You'll become a
tolerance.
smaller person. You'll become. You won't be a good Muslim if you say Ganapati Bappa Moria.
You become. No, but why should I say when they are forcing me to? Why should somebody force me to
Sanju?
practice? I practice my religion, you practice your religion. There is no harm. There is no harm if you say so. There is no harm if I recite my kalma. I don't force anybody to recite the kalma. I don't force Arnab Goswami to recite Surah Yasin. I don't. Hindustan Zindabad. For Sanju, आपको हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद में क्या दिक्कत है? जय हिंद बोलने में क्या दिक्कत है? सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, इसमें क्या दिक्कत है? भारत जिंदाबाद में क्या दिक्कत है? आपको क्या दिक्कत है?
Viewers, this dikkat hai will continue. Equally, it can be asked. प्रधानमंत्री चीफ जस्टिस के घर में गणेश पूजा आरती करने जाते हैं तो उसमें कांग्रेस और इंडिया अलायंस को क्या दिक्कत है? What problem do they have if the Prime Minister goes for Ganesh Aarti, wearing a Maharashtrian cap on a holy day to the Chief Justice's house? How is that not secular? When I'm back.
Time for a quick breather.